So let's ease it up, okay? I'm a little lively type of girl. I like to have some fun. So we're gonna get into my most recent. So what is your most recent song that you listen to?
My most recent what?
Song. What's the most recent song that you listen to?
Well, I listen to a variety. First of all, my thing is worship.
Okay.
I'm a minister.
Okay.
And I like to listen to music that just allows me to just relax and settle peace, because with me, I'm also a barber and I own a barbershop and day spa. So my shifting happens a lot. I go from cutting hair to designing to painting. So there has to be a downtime in the morning where I can read my word and I can just listen to some type of worship music. Something soft and kind of soothing.
Yeah, don't be ashamed to let the people know. I mean, there's something for everyone. So that's why I have this fun little game so people can like kind of know, like, you don't just have to listen to rap or R&B. Like you listen to gospel that soothes you, that gives you juice to create, that's super dope. I love it. All right. So our next question is your most recent IG like.
My most recent IG like, honestly, is the suit, the safari suit that I designed this year.
I know which one you talking about. I was looking. Okay, and the most recent person you thanked, you appreciated their comment or what they had to say. Like, what was the most recent person you thanked?
Probably Sassy. Sassy Tracks.
Okay.
She was one of the designers from last year, and her and the young lady Sonia that did the jewelry line really just thanked me. Just said, I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of your accomplishment. Mm-hmm. It really helped out. Just the encouraging words.
Okay, that's beautiful. And my last one is your most recent fashion item that you purchased.
My most recent fashion item, probably these frames.
Okay, we see you. Okay, you got it on here. Okay, let the world see you.
Yeah.
Well, it look good on you. We see you. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay.